Welcome Bobcat parents to the Guide to Google Classroom. This will help you know how to help your child get signed on to Google Classroom and how to use Google Classroom. First, what is Google Classroom? Google Classroom is your child's digital link to learning. Teachers use Google Classroom to share assignments, videos, homework, announcements, and much more with students and parents. To get started, your child will be provided with a secure login and password for logging into their Radford City Google account. Step 1 to sign in to the Google account. It's best if you use Google Chrome as the web browser rather than Safari or Firefox or any other browser. Then you will open Google Chrome. Step 2. Sign in to the Google account. They will need to type into the address bar www.google.com. Then you will be given a little sign in button at the upper right hand corner of the browser window. Click on the sign in button. Step 4. This window will now appear. Your child or you should type in the school's email address and click Next. So your child's school email address are usually their first initial, middle initial, last name at rcps.k12.ba.us. So for example, let's use our Bobcat mascot's email. It would be bcmascot@rcps.k12.ba.us. Step 5. Now your child or you should type in their password into the password box and then click Next. Your child will be given their password, but a hint. Most McHarg student passwords are their lunch number, hyphen, and the last 2 digits of their year of graduation. Most Bell Heath student passwords are Bell, their lunch number, and Heath. Once your child is successfully logged in to the Google account, they will see that at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Now, how do you find Google Classroom? In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, there are 9 little squares. We call that the waffle icon. In the upper right-hand corner, if you click on the waffle, these different Google Suite products will appear. You will then see the Google Classroom icon. Click on the Google Classroom icon. Navigating Google Classroom. If your child has already joined the Google Classroom, then you will see that in the window. As we see here, Bobcat class. If the child's class does not appear, then they will need to join by clicking the plus in the upper right-hand corner and use the code given by the teacher to join that classroom. Now, how do we navigate Google Classroom once we are there? When you click on the class, you will receive a screen that looks like this. And these are the Google Classroom tools. Number 1 is a list of classes. Your child might be enrolled in more than one class. Number 2, this is the name of this class. This one is the Bobcat class. Number 3 is the stream. Stream is for class announcements. Number 4 are the assignments. It's classwork. That's where assignments are posted. Number 5 would be the teachers and the students in this class. Number 6 would be any grades that are given on Google Classroom assignments. Number 7, you see the waffle again, where they can access any of the Google apps in the Google Suite. Number 8 shows the Google account that you are in. And number 9, it says upcoming. This shows upcoming assignment due dates. Next, if you click on the Classwork tab, which is at letter B, this is what you will see. A shows topics. Topics are how assignments are organized. Teachers may organize these in different ways. They may organize them by subject, or they may organize them by the week. Letter C shows that assignments are listed under the topics. Here you will see that this one is organized by the day of the week, or the week. This is week of June 6, 2020, and under it would be the assignments that need to be done for that week. D is a due date. What date is the assignment due? E shows you that due dates will also appear on a Google Calendar. It is another organizational tool. And F, all work will be housed in the Class Drive folder. Here are more assignment details. So once you find the assignment and click on the assignment, number 1 shows the title of the assignment. Number 2 are the directions that need to be read carefully for how to complete the assignment successfully. Number 3, you will see any attachments that need to be used to complete the assignment, like Google Slides or Google Docs. Number 4, if you need to add any Google Doc or Google Form or slide or any of those types of documents, you click here and are able to create, and it will put them into the assignment. Number 5 is the most important thing to do. Once the assignment is complete, please click Turn the Assignment In. That way it helps the teacher know that it has been turned in. It will also allow you as parents to know the assignment was completed and turned in. Number 6, if there's a private comment that your child or you need to make about the assignment and for the teacher, this would be the place that you could make a comment. And number 7, the all-important due date is located in many different places. So after you complete an assignment, here is what it looks like after the assignment has been graded. So here you see at A, the assignment name, B, the score that was earned on the assignment. This one was 100 out of 100. C shows that the assignment has been graded, and D would be any private comments from the teacher. Next, how do you as a parent get summaries and information? How can you keep up with your child's work and know that it has been completed? As a parent or guardian, you will be sent an invitation to receive summaries of your child's work. Please watch this email, watch for this email, and then click Accept in the email. Step 2, then you will be asked to accept again, or switch the summaries to a different email account. Let's say that the email account that the teacher sent is not your preferred email. Please change it to one that is your preferred email and that you will be able to check regularly. Step 3, next you will set how often you would like to receive updates. Weekly is preferred. You can choose weekly, daily, or no summaries. We ask that you choose weekly or daily. Please receive summaries so that you can help us keep up with your child's work. Once you have accepted to receive summaries, they should come to your email. If you have other questions about the summaries, how to receive those, there are many things in this link that would help you. If you click this link, it should take you to a screen that looks like this. And this has lots of links that you can get to help you know maybe some answers to questions that you may have. Finally, there is also a video here that you can watch that will also give you more information on Guardian summaries. We thank you so much for supporting your child's virtual learning. We know these are difficult times, and without your help, we could not be as successful, and neither could your child. Last in this presentation is just a reference for you on different Google icons to recognize. These are the icons that you might find in the waffle on the Google account. Please know if you ever have any questions, feel free to contact your child's teacher or anyone at your child's school. Thank you so much for learning with us.